In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy games if you change Steam region. If you've recently updated your Steam country and want to make your first purchase in that new region, this walkthrough will guide you from start to finish, with tips to keep things smooth and compliant with Steam's policies. Start by logging into Steam and heading to the store. Before you do anything else, make sure your region update has fully taken effect. You can confirm this by looking for the currency displayed on the storefront and the country indicator on your account details. If you don't see the new currency yet, refresh the page or relaunch the Steam client to sync your account. Region changes affect pricing, taxes, and even availability, so it's worth double-checking now. Next, search for the game you want. On the Game Store page, review the details carefully. Some titles have regional editions or different content by country, so confirm that the version shown is available in your new region. If everything looks good, click Add to Cart. Proceed to checkout. At this point, Steam will display prices in your new region's currency, including any taxes or fees where applicable. Take a moment to review the total and ensure it aligns with local pricing. If you use Steam Wallet, the balance must be in the same region's currency to apply correctly. If Steam prompts you for a billing address, enter a valid address from your new region. This should match the country associated with your account and the payment method you're using. Keeping your address accurate helps prevent payment holds or verification issues. Now complete the payment using a method registered in the new region. Local debit or credit cards often work best, and regional Steam gift cards or wallet codes are a reliable alternative. Some international cards may be declined due to regional restrictions, so using locally issued payment methods generally provides the smoothest experience. If your bank has security checks for foreign transactions, make sure those are cleared before retrying. Once your payment is approved, confirm the purchase. The game will immediately be added to your library, ready for download. Click Install, choose your drive, and let the download begin. If your speeds seem off, you can verify that your download region in Steam's settings matches your current location, which can help with performance. That's it, you've successfully purchased a game after changing your Steam region. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.